It's uncomfortable, right?
Very.
Okay, so you want to try now the hick away?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the much more you can drink and swallow it, it will stays longer because. By the way, did you put in an adult or a child? You know which?
It's an adult.
Adult. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for. You good? I'm glad it worked for you.
The straw he was using here is a recent Shark Tank product, and it's pretty crazy how it works. It's designed by Dr. Safety here, and this had sharks giving reactions like this.
I'll save a lot of time. I love it. But this, I guarantee you, this will become part of everybody's medicine cabinet. Guarantee.
I've been seeing this thing like everywhere since that episode. Not sure why it took this long, but if you guys want to check it out for yourself, I'll add it right here to the video for you. Highly recommend going in and taking a look.